Hey, good morning, YouTube. Y'all see us having trouble with these life vests. It's because he's fat and mine's too tight.
Listen, guys, if y'all think that all this sexiness is fat,
Woo!
you are sadly mistaken.
Sexiness? I almost threw up a little bit. Pre-spawning crappie. We're gonna try to find some timber out here. See if they're holding in timber, if they're transitioning, or if they are in the transition spots. If they are, we'll get on them. If not, we'll keep searching. And if we can't find them, we could be going to Lake Fork.
You know it.
Let's go. There you go.
God.
Yes,
He
sir.
big, bro.
Oh
He
my
big.
God.
He big.
God dang.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Got a little algae on him, you know, but he'll keep.
That old knife will get that off.
Yeah, got a little algae on him, but he'll keep.
Y'all see that? That's what fishing guys do. That's what guys do.
Guys, man.
I put you on the fish.
This
Wow.
guy.
I put you on it. That was the only fish on that tree too.
Say, look, man. When they there,
Yeah.
they smoke.
They smoking them.
They smoking them.
You gotta find a bunch of them, bro.
Yeah, man. When they there, they are smoking.
Yes, sir.
That's how you set on them, baby.
You ain't lying.
That's how you set on them right there. Whew. Come here. He got a little algae on him, but he'll be all right. That's a white crappie.
Okay.
Oh, get his head up.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Get
Whatever
his
it
head
is.
up. Get his head up. If you can't get his head up, you ain't gonna find out. Nigga, you caught the only catfish in the
You
lake.
lying, bro.
You caught the only catfish in the lake.
Oh, come on. It looked like it was crappie down there, though.
It might be.
Put that TTD, look, bend him in. Flip him in there, Key. That's all right. He going home. There you go.
You gotta know how to go down there and get him.
Go down there and get him, man.
You gotta know how to go down there and get him.
Go down there and get him. I damn sure ain't doing it.
That's what you got a partner for, man. When you're struggling, I got your back. If I'm struggling, you better have my back.
Sure did. What you got? Yep. How you feel? That pole is bent.
He big.
God
He big,
dang.
bro.
Woo! Boy. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one, Jack.
Yeah, that's big of the day right there, dog. I think.
Nah.
You don't think so?
Oh, your first one was.
Let's see where rapper. $113.
Yeah, that is bigger today. Yeah, he did.
Three cup. Don't miss it.
Oh.
Yeah. That's crappie, baby. Yeah, good boy.
Big boy.
I just had one.
Oh, I got you.
swim out. So, or we can move around.
I say move around.
Let's go.
We can put a couple off here. Is this the tree we caught them on? Or is that one?
That one over there.
Yeah, let's go back.
I caught one here
Oh, okay.
and 3 over there.
Oh, 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 oh. Y'all see that? Yeah, yeah, I see what he did there. Oh, okay, that's payback.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
payback from that time I said, Hook said watching me work.
Yeah. See, you know, you gonna get enough of dogging me on camera, man. You gonna get enough of dogging me on camera,
Oh,
man.
that's payback, huh? Hook said watching me work. He said, I caught one over there and 3 over there, and you know.
Yeah, man, one thing about it, boy, I be finding us some fish, man.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I be finding us some fish.
It's kind of like your job, right? Even though you're not a guy.
No, I think you just admitted it.
You're just not a
Come
guy.
on, say it.
Nah.
Say it.
Never.
Say it.
Never.
Come on, Key.
Nope.
Yeah, all right. All right.
Nope.
You too. Man, let me tell y'all, this jive turkey don't never want to give me my props, nor my license.
Never.
My guiding license, that is.
I don't think state of Texas give you a driver's license or a guide license.
Man, that's just wrong.
Look at it. Right there, come on. Here he comes. Yes, sir, he got you. Yes, sir.
He a pig, Key.
Oh,
He a pig.
oh, boy.
He a
Terry,
pig.
look at that black. Get him in, dog. Get him in.
He a pig.
Oh my God, boy! Come on, get him in!
Get him.
Oh my
He a
God!
pig. I felt him.
Ooh. Dude,
I felt him.
Monster,
Oh.
bro. God! Man, I hope that camera was rolling, bro.
Ah,
Say, man. Look at that pig, man. Y'all look here. Look at that big black, y'all. That's what we came out here for,
That's
bro.
what we come out here for.
Yes, sir.
And we almost gave up, boy.
Yeah, we did. I ain't gonna lie.
We almost gave up.
I ain't even gonna lie. Go get you another one.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
15 feet.
Wow, we bull crapping.
Yeah, I'm going woo hoo.
Yes, sir.
God, dog, T.
Those are pigs right there,
Them are
boy.
pigs.
Oh!
Oh, my
I seen
God.
it. I seen it.
Oh,
I see.
Dude, he hit me as soon as I went down.
Soon as
man.
you went down there.
As soon as I went down.
We've been having GoPro problems all day, y'all. So whatever footage we got, I'm gonna bring it to you. If I didn't get it, I'm sorry. It ain't me, it's GoPro. So thank y'all for watching. Huh?
I'm pretty sure it's the user.
It ain't the user. Thank y'all for watching, man. I bring to you what I get. All right, thank y'all. Later.